Hey, Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So I purchased this. I went to, what's the name of it? Slutty Vegan. And there was a young lady who was selling her product. It's an immunity shot. It has ginger, pineapple, and cucumber. And it says it gently improves immunity, protection from common cold and flu, fights virus and disease, high in vitamin C, helps with inflammation, joint pain, and allergies. It is spicy. And you can purchase her product at www.charliespath.com or on her Instagram at charliebemorecareful. Shake well before drinking, and recommend drink in the morning. So go ahead and give Charlie a try if you want to boost your immune system and get a great shot in the morning instead of coffee. This would help to boost your immune system and give you lots of energy. Hope this was helpful. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.